For a man, it'd be quite dashing, a scar like this.
I do declare, Frank Candid, you don't look dashing with that new set of
Are you
whiskers.
always as dashing as that with the ladies?
Well, now, the hero, the dashing duel.
Brilliant or dashing or anything like that, but just rather wonderful.
She was so beautiful at one time, and he was so dashing.
Queen's own Bonnie and Clyde. They make a dashing pair.
You were so dashing, you could have any woman you want.
Yes, another triumph for the dashing Agent Cooper.
Please. Don't look that bad. For a man, it'd be quite dashing, a scar like this.
Where have you been, Sarah? Why did you leave like that?
I couldn't.
I do declare, Frank Candid, you don't look dashing with that new set of whiskers.
Oh, thank you, Miss Scarlett.
How really gallant you are. Are you always as dashing as that with the ladies?
Yes, always, if they are ladies.
Well, now, the hero, the dashing duelist, my protector. Thank you so much.
Not only modest, but dashing. A perfect fit. It might have been made for me.
He was a rather wonderful man. Not brilliant or dashing or anything like that, but just rather wonderful.
She was so beautiful at one time, and he was so dashing. Both of them just full of promise.
A woman and her Uzi-waving partner. Queen's own Bonnie and Clyde. They make a dashing pair. Bonnie's silver, sparkly nail polish.
Both out of foolish pride. You were so dashing, you could have any woman you wanted, dead or alive. I was jealous.
Pointed to the left. Yes, another triumph for the dashing Agent Cooper. And now, Diane, you must clean the coffee cups.
Don't you look dashing?
Oh, there you are, Potter. Are you and Miss Patel ready?
Society present itself to him.
Walking stick so dashing. Much more elegant than my own.
Why all the fuzz of chasing? What are you, some sort of sexual freak dashing across America in spurts with your fly open?
You're close.
Best man.
Probably me.
Who's the prince with the most dashing mustache?
Me?
Who gives the warm...
Him in a brutal way for the handsome and dashing Hutton.
Who is very handsome
And dashing, yes.
Good luck, Donald. Keep in touch. You're looking dashing, rugged, even.
I've got the job as Senior Vice President of Accounts based solely on my dash and good looks. I actually knew when to shut the fuck up and do what I was told.
Not anymore. For Hank realize hopes we're dashing into blue obscurity.
Kind.
Charming.
Sweet. And when she opens the door, give her a dashing debonair smile. Come, come, show me the smile.